Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is reshaping the world, particularly in the business sector? It's no secret that AI's presence is growing exponentially across various industries. From manufacturing to healthcare, retail to finance, it's streamlining operations like never before. It's the silent workforce, tirelessly working behind the scenes, making processes more efficient and cutting down on human error. But it's not just about efficiency. AI is revolutionizing customer service, with chatbots and virtual assistants providing immediate responses and personalized interactions. It's also driving innovation, enabling businesses to predict trends, understand customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions. And let's not forget about the creative industries. AI is even making waves in media production and design, with tools like ChatGPT and GoogleAI helping to generate content and design solutions. But how exactly has AI consulting helped businesses? Let's delve into a case study to illustrate this. Consider a mid-sized company struggling to manage its customer data effectively. You've probably seen this story before. The company is drowning in data, but lacks the tools to turn it into meaningful insights. It's a frustrating position to be in, but it's also a common one. Enter an AI consulting firm ready to offer their expertise. They assess the company's needs, its strengths and weaknesses, and its goals. They take a deep dive into the company's data, sifting through the noise to find the valuable information hidden within. It's like panning for gold, and these consultants are experts at spotting those precious nuggets. They then use this gold, the data, to develop customized AI-driven solutions. These solutions aren't just about making sense of the data. They're about turning it into actionable insights that the company can use to improve their operations. It's about helping the company understand its customers better, to predict their needs, to tailor their interactions, and yes, to increase their profits. But the consulting firm doesn't stop there. They also provide training to the company's staff. They equip them with the knowledge and skills they need to effectively use the AI system. They ensure that the company is not just using AI, but embracing it, integrating it into their daily operations. The result? A company that's no longer struggling with its data, but leveraging it. A company that's not just surviving in its market, but thriving. A company that's not just keeping up with the competition, but setting the pace. And it all started with a decision to seek help, a decision to embrace AI, a decision to work with an AI consulting firm. Through AI consulting, the company was able to unlock the full potential of AI, solidifying its position in the market. And that's the power of AI consulting in action. It's more than just technology, it's a game changer, and it could be just what your company needs. So, where does ProPics Canada Media fit into this picture, you might wonder? Well, they stand at the forefront of the AI revolution, offering a wide array of consulting services. With their expertise in AI strategy, they guide businesses in leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to drive growth and innovation. They also help organizations develop and implement AI policies and procedures, ensuring a seamless integration of AI technologies into existing workflows. ProPics Canada Media's proficiency extends to multimedia services and design, where they use AI to deliver engaging and impactful content. Social media management, media monitoring, and corporate training services are also part of their extensive repertoire. They even assist businesses in navigating the potential pitfalls of AI, helping them avoid liabilities and foster a secure, ethical AI environment. And their reach? It's global. With a track record of successful international assignments and agreement inquiries, ProPics Canada Media is a trusted partner for businesses around the world. They're not just a service provider, but a partner that works with you to unlock the incredible potential of AI. With ProPics Canada Media, you can harness the power of AI to transform your business. Are you ready to embark on your AI journey? Imagine the potential, the opportunities that await. Picture your business not as it is today, but as it could be tomorrow. A future where growth is not just a possibility, but an expectation. A reality where innovation is not an occasional achievement, but a regular occurrence. Now imagine that all of this is possible with the power of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence isn't just about technology. It's about realizing your potential, driving your growth, and fostering your innovation. It's about transforming your business from the inside out, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. It's about equipping you with the tools you need to not just survive, but thrive in a rapidly evolving marketplace. Whether it's through multimedia services and design, social media management, media monitoring services, or corporate training services, AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of your business. By avoiding AI liabilities, you can harness the full power of this transformative technology, mitigating risks and maximizing rewards. So, if you're ready to step into the future, if you're ready to realize your full potential, there's only one thing left to do. Contact ProPics Canada Media for AI consulting and take your business to the next level.